Thinking about closing an Amex card but worried about the impact on your credit score? If you're unsure of the right way to do it, you're not alone. Today, we're closing an Amex account while minimizing the hit to your credit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Closing a credit card can affect your score in two main ways. It reduces your total available credit, hurting your utilization ratio, and can shorten your average account age. Step 1. Pay off the balance and redeem points. Ensure your balance is fully paid to $0. Then, redeem or transfer all your membership rewards points, as you will lose them once the account is closed. Step 2. Call customer service to close. You cannot close an account online. You must call the number on the back of your card. Be prepared for a retention offer. They might try to convince you to stay with a bonus of points or a statement credit. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Consider downgrading to a no-fee card instead of closing. Before closing a card with an annual fee, ask if you can product change to a no annual fee Amex card. This keeps the account history open on your credit report, preserving your credit age and utilization ratio, without costing you anything. So, just like that, you can make an informed decision about your credit portfolio. Strategic account management goes a long way in maintaining a healthy credit score. Now I'm curious, have you ever taken a retention offer from Amex, or did you successfully downgrade a card? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.